To mark the levels of the supply zone, you have to select the previous candle, take this tool, price range, and mark the high and low of the candle to extend the line from whatever you want. I want to adjust this marking, just long press and adjust the mouse. If you want to reduce the size, just you click the corner of the circle, and if you want raise the size of the zone, you want to move upwards. If you want to reduce the size, you down the mouse downward. I think this is good marking. In future, Thursday, 16th February 23, 9:15 a.m., the candles retest the supply zone many times and going to fall down very aggressively from the point of 18,120 to market fall down almost almost 17,264.55. This is the power of supply and demand zone concept. In this level, you may sell the shares in that place. You definitely got the big profit trading from the trading. Okay, next we are going to see demand zone. The same way you mark the demand zone, you should identify that place Where is the demand zone? Wait. Exactly 16th March, Thursday, 2023, 10:50 a.m. There is continuous big green candles. They are having good momentum and good volume. I am going to mark this level. I already told you, you should mark the previous candle, look back candle, red candle. I am going to mark that candle, high and low, and extend the line to wherever I want. You see this? The market is going from demand zone. If you bought this level, almost 16,885.85. If you are already buy in that place, you are in profitable positions. In future, the price may go to that supply zone level. It may take 1 month, 2 months, or it may take a year. But definitely, to reach that level, it may reach that level and will go fall down, or it may break that level to reach the next supply zone level. But we are not predict the future. But if you are trading using supply and demand zone, it is very useful for you, and accuracy of the trading is almost 70%. I hope you understand the concept. I already told you, look back the previous candle, mark the high and low to extend the line to some point. In the future, the price test the demand zone, or it may test the supply zone. You may have the buying opportunity or selling opportunity in that place. This is one of the basic and important places. The number of buyers and sellers to buy the shares to buy the shares. In that place, the volumes are very high. You can identify and place the tradings in that place and get the profit from that place. Thank you to all. I hope you to all of you understand the supply and demand zone concepts. Please watch my channel. In future, I will post all the important basic concepts and how to trading and how to understand the markets like uptrend or downtrend or sideways. Everything I will go to discuss in the future videos. In this channel is very useful for beginners, intermediate traders, and all of you, those who interested in trading to become a trader. Please watch my channel. Please click the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Like, comment and share. Thank you to all.